Crypto fam, Crypto B here, diving deep into the world of crypto investment strategies by popular demand. You've got questions, I've got answers. Let's unravel the secrets to growing your digital treasure chest. Today we're tackling the big burning question: how to invest wisely in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. Understanding investment strategies is crucial for navigating the volatile seas of the crypto market. We're covering everything from the basics for our beginners to advanced tactics for the seasoned traders. Investment strategies in crypto vary from traditional markets but share some foundational principles. Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, even if that basket is XRP. Research and due diligence. Understand what you're investing in. Is the project solving a real problem? Who's behind it? Timing the market can be tricky. Consider dollar-cost averaging to mitigate risks. For the young enthusiasts, it's about learning and growing. Start small, educate yourself, and stay updated. How I did it: patience, continuous learning, and not chasing after every new coin on the block. Risk management. Only invest what you can afford to lose, especially at a young age. Keep an eye on market trends and technological advancements. Blockchain is evolving, and so should your investment strategy. Real-life example: diversifying from XRP into emerging DeFi projects or NFTs for potential higher returns. An example of diversification: instead of holding only XRP, spread your investment across different assets like BTC, ETH, and select altcoins. Case study: a 16-year-old who started with small investments in various coins and used social media platforms to learn and adapt his strategy. Remember, crypto investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay curious, stay cautious. Got more questions or need clarity on a specific point? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep stacking those sats. To our viewer asking about XRP and looking for better returns, diversification and education are your best allies here. Explore different assets and always stay hungry for knowledge. To the young crypto enthusiast wanting to mirror my journey, start by understanding the market, follow credible sources, and remember, every expert was once a beginner. Patience and continuous learning are your tools to success. This deep dive was created based on viewer comments and requests, proving once again that your curiosity is the cornerstone of our community. Remember, we're dropping a new deep dive every day based on the most requested topics from you guys, so keep those comments coming. This has been Crypto B, your guide through the crypto jungle, signing off. Dive deep, invest wisely, and let's all grow together. Peace out.